Hello everyone, it's Kyle Warsinski and I'm going to be doing my week 6 presentation for MPA 530. The name of the program that I'm doing my program evaluation on is the Homeboy Industries 18-month program. And that program is intended to take previous gang members and prevent recidivism or them going back into a gang committing violent crimes. The program evaluation is going to be quantitative in nature, and that is due to the need to study the relationship between the program and gang-related crimes. So the evaluation will go into whether there's a relationship between participants within the program that start on the program or complete the program, and whether gang violence by those individuals is lessened, if it's equal, or if somehow it turns out to be more. The type of evaluation will be quasi-experimental in nature, and that is due to the researchers, whether it might be myself or a future researcher, if I'm just doing an evaluation design, they cannot mandate parolees in the city of Los Angeles to participate in this program. So they can't say, you people have to participate in this program, therefore you're going to be my participant group, and then I'm going to take a comparison group from other gang parolees to compare against. So because of that, it has to be quasi-experimental. It cannot be experimental in nature. The design of the program evaluation is going to be doing a comprehensive longitudinal with two different types of tests done in order. So the first one is going to be a post-treatment or a post-test, and that would be when they complete the actual program itself. So they get out of jail, they're on parole, they start in the program, and they finish the program. So about 18 months in. We'll be doing that for the participant group and for comparison groups. I also feel the need to design an ex post test in order to check the relationship between this gang prevention or gang recidivism prevention program. I think it would be important to analyze and study as well as observe the behaviors and the future arrests possibly by these individuals over the course of, I think, 3 years would be sufficient. So we'll basically be studying the recidivism rate over time for the people within the participant group as well as the comparison group. The methods I decided to go with interviews done through caseworkers, treatment workers, as well as the parole officers, because all of these individuals out in parole, they have to have parole check-ins. So we'll be doing semi-structured interviews with those individuals that I spoke of, as well as obviously the parolee. In these semi-structured interviews, they won't be asking A, B, and C answer questions. They're going to be asking open-ended questions to kind of get an idea of exactly the mentality of the parolee and exactly what they're interested in, what's working and what's not working, versus just asking true and false or standard Q&As. The other method to grab data or to retrieve data and this has to do with the ex post test I talked about previously in the design, is I'm going to need future arrest data. So we're going to go ahead and be able to pull arrest data records for the participant group as well as the comparison group over a 3-year period of time from Los Angeles Police Department, the County of Los Angeles, and I thought it would be important to try to do the entire state of California arrest records system. They somewhat link up, but I think checking on all three would be important. And then lastly, from who will collect the data, I feel the need to go for or attempt to get 100% of the participants within the program group. So those are the people that finished the Homeboy Industries program, and then take a random sample of the comparison group. And how we'll go ahead and get that is taking a random sample of parolees that are released from Los Angeles County Jail, and are back into the city of Los Angeles. So thank you so much for watching. I look forward to watching all your videos as well.